Hey, what's up, Dave? Yeah, I don't think JFB will be able to trade. I mean, to me, I don't know. I think there'll be a lot of back holders. I know it's creeping up, but I don't know. We'll see. I feel like there'll be back holders for sure. Let me pull up the level 2 on this, but I don't think I'll take a trade. I'm for sure gonna wait on something new. I really don't see anything right now that looks good, so we definitely will have to wait till breaking news on something. But I don't think JFB is the one. Right now, these are my scanners. This is what I have up. This is what I'm looking at. There we go. So that's what I'm looking at the whole time. Got running up. I think it's very useful now to see what something curling back up, and then top relative volume. I started using this just so I can see like what's actually like has volume. So, all right, one more minute till 4 a.m. open. All right, 4 a.m. Let's see. If I take a trade right now, it's honestly gonna be half my size, almost half my trading size. I don't want this to flush down. I don't know. To me, it's just risky. Or yeah, I'll wait for something new. VOR, RDHL. Ooh, that's charred. This is what I'm seeing on RDHL. I don't think the news is good enough. Let's see. It's on like 11,000 sell order at 269, so I don't think this news is good. I'm gonna skip this. I might watch this just to see if it goes and see what it does, but I think it's gonna reject pretty quickly. Let's see. It's not really the cleanest. It's kind of choppy too. 260. If you clear 269, that's so I don't know. And STSS. SCSS is low volume. RDHL, it's being really choppy. 11,000 seller at 269. It's approaching that seller, so I don't know. We'll see. Let's see how hard this projects. Like 250. Very back footage on this. It's not clean. Good luck, hope bro. Hopefully we see a private placement handle. Yeah, hopefully, man. But we'll see. Yeah, hopefully. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, now RDHL is pretty tightly traded. And look at this level 2. It's not the cleanest. This is like pretty weird. Yeah, this is pretty stacked level 2. And this is rarely stocked too. It's just not that high. I might just take started with 100 shares, but I don't know. This is a bad rejection. 253, bad. This is not clean. This is being weird. Yeah, look at that rejection. Just gotta be patient. Just gotta be patient. No, no trades yet, Kaden. Uh, I was thinking about RDHL, but honestly, I don't like how this level 2 is looking, and I don't like how it's rejecting pretty quickly. I mean, I don't know. This level 2 it was looking more stacked earlier, but it was just it doesn't seem like it'll be a clean trade. Volume's declining too. Yeah, this level 2 is ugly. I've never seen it like this. Never seen a level 2 where it's just like, I don't know, it's just everywhere. Oh, I just saw a big seller. I think it's gonna flush. This is probably the only cleanest trade of the day, but even still, this level 2 is just not making me feel good about any trade on this. It's too choppy. Have you guys taken any trades yet? Let me know. Let me know if you guys have. Which one? If not, it's okay. Nice. Good job, Mr. Phil. It's good that you saw that breakout from there. Small win. Yeah. I think this one's definitely good for a small win. Nice. That's good. 30. Oh, damn. 30 cents. Sick. How many share sizes do you normally trade with? Or, like, what's your starting position? Ooh. What was it? False breakout. Kind of. $100, nice. Yeah, that's my starting size right now too. 100, especially in a stock like this. Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully something good happens. Oh. Wow. This is not a good daily chart stock. Oh shit. That was not good. That was This had no news. Yeah, this daily chart's not good. Yo, I fucked up. I fucked up. And of course it's coming back up. Oh, what's the news? Let's see. Yeah, I got fucked too. I just got fucked. I didn't see the new symbol and then it came out and I was like, The spreads were pretty wide from 10 to like, when I was seeing it was like 10 to like 16. It was something in the teens. It went like 10 and then there was just a higher price above that. And I was like, okay, this could work. And no, that shit did not work. I thought it would bounce back pretty quickly, but it did not, unfortunately. They might, but I don't. It's rejecting pretty hard. And this daily chart is not the prettiest. I mean, this shit's looking bad. Look at this. Just damn. This is a no go. No go on the stock. Holy shit. I think a lot of people got wrecked on it. I don't think this will do anything crazy. Right now, I don't know. Yeah, there's a lot more sellers. There's definitely backholders. Has to be. Oh, it's gonna project at $8 now. The 5,000 sell order, $8. Yeah. Well, fellas, we fucked up. Shit. I jumped into that one way too quickly. I thought it was gonna hold itself at 10, but it did not. I got flushed all the way to fucking 8. Holy shit. Was I slow on that? How many shares did you go on it, Kaden? That's what happens when I get too clicky. I got too clicky. I got excited. Now I paid the price. It's okay. It's not okay, but it's okay. Oh shit. Let's see. Why is this going up again? RDHL. Yeah, I didn't think it would keep flushing, but honestly, I should have looked at that daily chart. I should have looked at that daily chart more in detail. I should have just trusted how that price action would have likely gone. INDP. Low float, it's 800K. US stock. What the heck? It just went up on Friday. Went up to $5. Oh, there's definitely gonna be back orders on this. Even if it goes $8. Yeah, I'm 850. Yeah, I lost like $2 per share basically on what was that one? DWTX. Yeah, fucking smoked. Do I feel like a clown? Probably. It's part of the trading. That was not good. Have any of you guys taken any trades that any of you try to get in WTX? I hope not. I hope you guys avoided this too. Well, I didn't avoid it, but I hope you guys avoided this. This is not good. Yeah, this shit was ugly. I should have just, upon first glance, I should have just taken a look at this and just be like, nah, immediately. Oh well. I don't think so. Well, I don't know. Oh, wow. 2 minutes before 4:30. That's a false breakout. I just saw that live. Yeah, look at this. I'm honestly gonna write stocks to stay away from. So if I see it come up, I'm gonna be like, okay, stay away from that stock. JFBR. Should have stayed away from that one. I think last Monday that's how it lost. I took a trade on JFBR. Yeah, wiped my profit. Alright, 4:30 real soon. This drop in volume is loud. Alright, let's see what comes up. $3. It's light volume. Can anyone explain to me? Oh shit. Like, why is this like 327? I mean, I don't think that will go up to 27, but I wonder why that shows. Not really a gap here. Canadian stock. I don't think this will give good moves. Let's watch this one reject one more time. And I'm gonna say this, and it's gonna squeeze up to like over $10. Nasty rejection. Nasty top. It's tempting, but I don't know how I would be able to manage my risk after seeing it reject. Like, well, rejected really hard once over here, twice, 3 times. I struggled to kind of get over this like 850 level and reach. Yeah, I don't know. I say that and it's just gonna go straight up to like 11, 12. It's not the cleanest action either. It's kind of a slow morning. If I don't see anything by 5, I'm gonna pack it up and just take the loss for the day. That way I don't force anything to trade and I'll just take my loss. I was kind of hoping today would be a little bit not so slow, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens in October. Hopefully, October can bring some good news. Hopefully. Yeah, selling did slow down. I noticed here, but stock makes me feel uneasy now after that first loss. I mean, I don't mind watching it, but I don't really know. I just don't know. It's holding support between 9 and 20 in May, so that's something. That was a good pop. Right? No way. Yeah. Damn, I tried to keep my losses small, but I couldn't. That was... it's frustrating, but... it's my fault. Always gonna be my fault. Out of everything else right now, this and RDHL. No, RDHL actually pulled back pretty good. This is like the only stock right now it's worth watching. I really want a penny stock, man. Like $1 to $2. Just squeeze it up to like 3 to 4. That's like ideal. Phil, what level were you looking at for a possible entry? Were you looking at like a break over like $9 or $10 for it to hold, pushing up to like 11? Let's, oh my, I'll squeeze my stress ball. Like stress teddy bear. I don't know. Feels good though. Looking to hold over 981. Okay. I don't know what to do. Just gotta, let me get a pen. Actually. There's some stocks I gotta stay away from, and this was one of them. JFVR for sure. Yeah, on the 1 minute it got negative. 5 minute looks good, but it's very slow from here to there. That price action was not the cleanest. There's no volume. Yeah, 264. Market's pushing. And it's breaking the VAP support. Oh shit, man. I saw this one on the scanner. Score. SCOR. This one also does not look good on the daily. Look at this. What's the news? Proxy form. Right. This one's easy to borrow too. So that's something else to think about. Short interest. 10 minutes till 5. Yeah. This is what I should have done with DWTX. I should have just by the daily chart alone. That should have just given me a better idea of like, okay, this is gonna like they pop and reject, and this is known for popping and rejecting. You can see, it's just not clean. Looks ugly. Doesn't hold on anything. Man, JFB like died. Look at this. It's run out of steam. But this is also not really like a hot sector. Industrials, construction. Yeah, 44 million private placement after hours. Sheesh. Have you guys ever caught a move from like 7-point, 10-point move? That's insane. That's actually insanity. I know I have. Not 10-point move, but 3-point move, but the opposite way. Sorry, I had to adjust my nuts. And it's curled back up. DWTX. Even if I'm not gonna take a trade, I think it's still good to watch this, just in case. Like I can see, like, okay, this is why I rejected. I'm looking at the level 2 big seller at 913. Any luck? No, Tejas, bro. Look at this, bro. Oh, we got fucked. We got fucked on this stock. No, no luck, bro. Just gotta wait. And at 5 a.m., I'm just gonna cut it. Because this is kind of giving the sentiment for the morning already. And I don't want to wait around for another hour for nothing to come through. If something comes through, it's fine, but I just gotta take the loss. Yeah, guys, September has been like kind of... I mean, the volatility was good, but then I caught the wrong side of it. Yeah, it happens. That was my first real test into the volatility. I know I can be like consistent and a really good trader on like these colder days like August. August was pretty cold. Not pretty cold, but it wasn't as crazy as the first 2 weeks of September. And that September, that was my first test, you know. I want to say I gave myself like a C. Gave myself a C. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. I know I'm gonna make it back. But that's another reminder, another lesson today. Trust the daily chart. The daily chart will tell me, hey, that's not gonna work. Always, just gotta always say this. That's how I have to look at things. Because, man, trading's gonna get me out the hole. Trading will get me out of a lot of things. POEI. Oh wow, I broke that level. This one is honestly, I wish I could play some like background music or just any music, because it's kind of awkward when it's quiet. But I got people sleeping, you know, in other rooms, so I can't really be too loud or have music on. So sorry if the stream is just kind of boring. But when I get my own place, it'll be a little bit more lively. I don't know when, but hopefully next year I can just have my own place. We'll see. Alright. Let's see what this bastard is cooking. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I've seen this before, man, where just market just laughs at you like this, where it's like, hey, I'm back up, but you lost. Oh, an hour of holding. My price entry was 10.06. There was resistance at 10.88. 4,000 share seller. And hold these levels, maybe. But 3 minutes to 5, I don't know. This could dump really hard. This could dump really hard, or this could just pick up in volatility. Or, yeah, and something else will likely go up. If there's another stock with news. I'm curious, does anyone see this as a potential trade? As soon as it bounces off here, like, I don't think this is predictable at all when stocks just jump up like that. I mean, with the volume change from 13,000 to 125,000, it's like almost a 10x volume in like who knows how long. And it just drops off. Phil, did you end up taking a trade on this since it curled back up? One minute till 5. Alright. Took 9.50 to 10.06. That's still good base hit. Still a good winner. Yeah, I think catching a good move on this is hard. Not easy. Not an easy trade. Alright, 5 a.m. This thing gonna rip. Holy crap, that drop was wild. Hey, is this blue sky setup? Hold on. No. Yeah, my charge froze too. You can see how it's kind of lagging. Bad rejection. Yeah, my charts froze on everything. I was like, what the hell? Alright. WTX 1070. Oh, what the fuck, bro? That's insane. Really went back up. Alright, enough FOMO. Oh. It's at 11. Oh my god. Bro, what the fuck? That's bullshit. Sorry, that's FOMO. That's fucking bullshit, man. That's the market laughing at me, saying that you couldn't profit. It's okay. Investment and hold interest. What the fuck? Everything's wrecked. RZLV. Man, news is getting shoved down like the feed. Holy shit. PLAI. Oh, it shows 119, but it's 94. Oh, what a ball buster. 5 a.m. This shit went up. Shit wasn't clean though. Not the cleanest. Yeah, dude, my chart fucking crashed out. Everything just froze, and I'm like, what the fuck? ZURA is going up, but 55 million volume, or 55 million float. Not good. Shit, today should have been a no trade day. Definitely no trade day. Should have been. Kala has KALA has halted news. 5 million. Oh, 19. It's pretty high price. Yeah, man, it froze. Like fuck. That is okay. So that wasn't just me. That was not just me. I was looking at WTX. The chart froze, but then level 2 wasn't like matching the chart price, and I was like, what the hell is going on, bro? That was fucked. That shit was planned. They're watching us. They're making sure we don't profit. They're definitely making sure. Definitely. BETR. I've never seen a high price stock with that low of float before. Usually these high price stocks have like more shares. CDL. Oh, kind of excited. That said 4 million float. Scam. Yeah, we're getting scammed today. We're actually getting scammed. What do you guys think about this? Inflation is too high, and the trend is in the wrong direction. I mean, honestly, a lot of things are overpriced right now. I mean, people are saying that we should be selling off pretty hard soon because of inflation, but I don't know. I'm no economist. I try my best to understand the market. I try to read some books. I try my best. And within time, I'll be able to understand things better than like a year ago. Like 2 years ago, you can even ask me like what a technical was, or technical analysis or fundamental analysis, you know, or even a year ago, honestly. Yeah, there was a whole bunch of news that came out, a whole lot of nothing out of it too. A whole lot of nothing. Usually at 5 a.m. I think I sells off or just stays flat. Man, it's SYNX. Hey, SYNX. This news. If we can get up to $2, a pretty big gap for up to 3. This volume sucks though. Let's what the news is. Yeah, volume is trash on this. But they get $100,000 order. It's not really a lot. We're not really in a bubble, as people say, because the price of everything goes way up. That's true. Okay, that's good way to look at it. Okay, price is going up on this. I just get $100,000 order. If it was $1 million order, that would be something. Okay. I don't like how this is looking for me. Actually, no, I'm gonna stay till 6. I remember, I closed the stream early, and I missed the move. I think it was, Zeus. Zeus popped up, there was nothing good. I think I still profited on that day, but Zeus came up on the scanners, and it made a really big move. And I feel like that one would have been the best one to do. Let me see what day that was. Yeah, right here. I missed this move right here. Low of $2, high of 5. That's really good. Okay, what's coming up on the scanner? IBG. It's showing 360. Sometimes these scanners they show the wrong price sometimes. Is that just me? Look at this. So it's showing IBG at 360. Well, the chart's 270. And watch, because I stay. I don't know. I don't wanna say that. I was gonna say, if I stay, watch nothing come up at 6, 5:30. Watch it be like a no trade day for the rest of the morning. But then if I go, there's gonna be something coming up. There's always something. Not always, but we'll see. Come up to resistance around $2. I mean, the 200 EMA is 224. It's pretty good gap. Let's see what kind of it's hardware equipment. Okay, not the right sector, so we're gonna stay away from that. RDHL coming up again. I think I looked at this daily already. $270. Not available to borrow. So you can't short this stock. It seems. Or at least not on Thinkorswim. Finance stock. Oh, it's Chinese. Oh. Solana company, HSDT, they announced this corporate name change to Solana company. So this is gonna be the Solana stock, I guess. I think it's gonna be like medical equipment and supplies. Preeminent. So I guess Solana goes up crazy, this thing is gonna skyrocket. Probably. I mean, I don't know, there's pretty big gaps. We could see something from this stock if, float is low enough. They're not under $1. I don't know. This could be good at some point. It's already coming back down though. It's gonna like to fill this gap here. Maybe not. Let me see how the strategy stock is doing. They're still up in 400s. Okay, no. 300. I never understood why the stock was priced so much. I get that it's like the whole point is like to invest in Bitcoin. At least the guy like Michael Saylor. It's like the Bitcoin stock treasury fund or whatever they're doing. But it just, I don't know. Do you think this is overvalued? I mean, yeah, I do have FOMO because I missed out on this stock big time. Like, this is insane. January 2024. Oh, let's get back to RDHL. I was goofing off. Still needs to break this high of day. 304. And 321's resistance on previous days. I don't know, man. I missed that breakout. Small win. Dude, it would have been small win. Still missed a breakout. Hopefully you guys got a win on that too. You know, some people might have seen that breakout over 306, testing all-time highs. Watch the 1 cent winner. 1 cent. 1 cent. It's okay. At least you got some wins today, which is good. Is it going to form a head and shoulders pattern? We'll see. Or is this going to rally and support? We'll see. Just not a fan of this all too. I really hate when it's tightly packed like that. I'm getting sleepy. SK White. Oh, it's curling back up again. We're running up scanner. I wonder what Ross traded on his small account. Knowing him, he probably didn't trade anything. Unless he thought DWTX would be a good one to trade. But probably looked at the daily and said no go. I don't know. I've never attended his live streams, ever. I think in the 2-week trial, I think that was an option, but I didn't opt in at the time, I don't bother to check in. I was focused on learning, actually, how to do this whole day trading. Alright, with 5:30 coming up, let's see, man. Let's see. Would you switch? No, dude, I'm not gonna use leverage. So with the PD2 rule change, The only thing I want to do is be able to trade like as many times as I want. Because there's some times where I'm trading and I'm good for the day, but it's like, okay, maybe I could make a little bit more profit. You know, I know that would lead into more into over trading, but if I don't want to miss out on the other good runs on the other stock for the day. So I don't know. I think that too, that settlement time, because that way I can pull out profit too for that same day. Say if it, make a lot, I want to be able to take like at least a percentage that same day rather having to wait the next day. I normally take my profits at the end of the month. I just find it better for the account growth. So, what's up, the real ghost DJ? 50K in 5 days. Yeah, it's crazy. That's just because it's on leverage. I'll put in the chat. I fucking lost. 219. DWTX. There. If any of you guys are just joining in right now, I can't really see that, but that's where I'm at right now. Yeah, dude, leverage is scary. I would never. I just want the margin portion of it, because then you can extend profits further. Do you not use and use broadcast? Which one are you referring to? Are you talking about the day trade dash? This is horrible. Through its trade exchange. Yeah, I do. Here, I'll show you. Well, I mean, I use the newsroom. I don't use the news. Like, I don't join the actual, like, stream. Yeah, this is what my setup is. Yeah, basically. It's a squawk. What does that mean? Yeah, use 3 screens right now. I'm looking at my main screen. This is where I have my broker up, where I'm trading. Having these callouts, dude, definitely, they're very, very helpful. Yeah, when I first started, I didn't have that newsroom up. The only thing I had up were the top gainers and penny top gainers. When I was first trading, like, last year. And I was like, how the fuck did I not have this up? I was just waiting for the symbol, and by the time it was too late, like, I would see the flame symbol, and by the time it was too late, the stock would have already made its move. And this was, like, last September, like, December. And I'm still new, but I was very, very new at trading. Oh, I see. I've tried joining the stream, but I've tried it before. Oh, damn. I've never used this. Here's the thing, I would open this up, but it would just be black, like nothing would load. And I think I've seen this a couple of times, but I just never bothered to pay attention to it. The volume. So, dude, thank you. Thank you, my friend. 529. I was gonna show a quick TikTok video. But it's gonna be 5:30 real soon, so we have to lock in. Fuck, I hope this thing isn't like crazy loud. Like someone yelling. It gets real shouty. Oh, I see. Damn, so someone's gonna be yelling at my screen? Holy shit. I hope my ears don't fucking bleed. Fuck. Things are not loading. Dude, what the hell? Oh, I hear it. Ooh, 281. Nice. I broke even for the day. Guys, I broke even for the day. I profited. I'm up $61. I'm taking off the table. Holy fuck. That was really good. Wow, what a close fucking trade. What a close trade. Holy shit, guys. Dude. I went from down 218. If I didn't take that first fucking trade, wow. So we plan to enter a trade today? Yeah, dude. I just entered this trade right now. Look. 281. I was down like 218. Holy fuck, dude. I bought on the pullback as well. I got it initially and I was slowly scalping down. And then as soon as I saw the treasury and I was like, oh, this is 70 million private placements, crazy. I have to get out now because I'm going to get in my head and I'm going to want to trade more. Wow, that was nice. I know. I want to know what this daily looks like though. Wow, it's going up. That was nice. Honestly, I can't even be mad. It's my daily goal, $60. That's what I get for taking a shitty first trade. Bryce, I traded DWTX, and DWTX, I lost 218. I got flushed. Yeah, dude, I'm glad we all made money on that. Oh, I don't. Oh, this is a big gap. Oh, there is. Wait, no, never mind. That's just. Okay, that news broadcast, dude. MS to $10. Think so. I don't even have. I'm done trading. I don't have any. I mean, I have funds, but if it does what it does, Ross took that. Currently at his 5. Oh, you're watching his stream, Phil. Nice. That's good. Yeah, dude, no, he had to have taken that. That was good. I saw him, and I thought about taking 1,000 shares. Dude, that would have been crazy. That would have been $2,000. But I can't think like that because then I'm going to start thinking like that every trade. I have to just stay within my realm. If I do that, when I do that, it's going to be good. Dude. Shit, man. This was a close call. This was close. Yeah, watching you on one corner. Nice. That's where I got fucked. This is where I got fucked. Right here, and then boom. I kept adding. and immediately ripped. I got in way too high. Way too high. I got too clicky with that. Yeah. Yeah. I'm glad I stayed. Guys, I was thinking about calling it quits for the day for 5 a.m. But now I told myself I missed out on the one trade one time doing that, and I got FOMO. And I was like, damn, I should have stayed. It's all because I wanted to go back to sleep. I gotta stay disciplined. And I recovered. Holy shit, man. 219. Damn, this would have been a $281 day. Sheesh, man. Sloppy. Sloppy. Yeah, dude. I mean, yeah. I had a feeling he probably didn't trade the WTX because he probably saw the daily chart and was like, probably not. But I was getting too jumpy. I just bought, honestly. I was looking at level 2, but then I should have trusted the daily chart. And that daily chart didn't look too promising at all. So nice. This is where we're at. This is my best week so far, which is honestly surprising. Yeah, I got fucked here. Yeah, this is some rough days, but I have to learn. And this is like my first month of true volatility and learning. I took, I was scalping into 500 shares, so I took initial 100 shares, waited for further pullback, and 500 shares I sold at 340. And that's what I mean. This is my issue. I had this for 200 shares. And this is my issue. Is I need to wait for further pullback. But it's like, okay, how do you know how much further do you need to wait, or how much longer do you need to wait till it touches the VWAP support at these levels? You know, like, is this what I'm looking at? Once it hits that level and immediately comes up for support. That's my issue. That's what I need to get better at, is being that much more patient. Yeah, this one was rough. I don't like this entry. But when I was looking at the news, the private placement, and he was reading it out, I was like, dude, this has to be it. I was like, there's no way. That call out was nice. The squawk. Let's see. Who said that? Oh, dude, Real Ghost DJ. Thank you, bro. This is gonna be me right now. Hold on. Yeah, I want to stream tomorrow. It's fun. Let me find it. Yeah, I know, I'm on Microsoft Bing, it's whatever. God, this isn't not what I'm looking for. Thank you. This. Dude. It's like this military guy. I know. I mean, I could download the Chrome, but I just never did. You know what, man? I'm gonna show it on my. I'll find it later. It's this guy who's just like, he's just doing like thank you, like bounces. But he's like a military guy, or I think it's like a Navy SEAL. It's like, honestly, I don't know. I'll show it later if I can find it on my YouTube. But yeah, I mean, I could use Google Chrome. Pretty sure I can. I have to download it. Yeah. honestly, I never knew what the difference was. I normally use Google Chrome elsewhere, but on my computer I just never bothered to like install it. I just never had an issue with it, you know. Like things run smoothly, nothing bad happens. Like nothing bad's ever happened. I know with Google Chrome too. It's just, I don't know. I don't see like, yeah. All right, I need to stop. I'm looking at this. I'm like, oh, yeah. Nah, dude. I know. MSS. I'm done for today. It's going up, but I'm like a kid with like, like a van. And there's like van, and there's like they're like, you know, trying to lure kids in with candy, bro. That's how I'm feeling right now. But I gotta close this. Close. Close. All right. It's enough. It's enough for today, man. I survived. I barely fucking survived. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Yeah, I want to go live. This is my dog. It's part of my why too, man. Like, I don't live with my dog right now. I live with my family, but I want to be able to have like a home so I could, you know, have my dog with me. I miss my dog, man. But I still visit, so it's okay. Alright. See you guys. Yeah, we're going to stream tomorrow. Last day of September. We survived. Tomorrow, yeah, hopefully it's good. All right, take care.